Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be replacing this headlight switch, and I'm going to be replacing it with this Euro style switch. There's the brand, part number right there. I'll have a link in the description for this. As you can see, this switch gives me more options with front and rear fog lights, as well as the city light option. So we'll go ahead and get started here. Okay, to remove the switch from the vehicle, you can't just grab it and pull it out because it's being held in by this spot right here as well as this spot right here. So you need to push this switch in, push the knob in and turn it like you're turning it on, and that causes both of those areas to retract and allows you to pull the switch out. So we'll go ahead and do that now. So I'm going to push in and turn it towards the right and pull it straight out. And what you'll need to do is disconnect the wiring. So we can go ahead and you can see the switch is on right now, so you can go ahead and turn it off. And then disconnect the connector in the back. So you have this tab here and this one here. We'll just squeeze those both in and pull this out. There we go. It's a little tough to do with one hand, but I got it. So we have our old switch here and our new switch. Pins look exactly the same. So we can go ahead and install the new switch. Take your connector, simply push it straight in to the switch. And just push the whole unit back into place. That's it. Easy enough. Make sure everything works. As you can see, that's the city light position, which if you look around the front, just have the city lights illuminated, or parking lights, whatever you want to call them. And this, you turn your headlights on with the key, of course. And if you have fog lights, so you pull out once for front and twice for both front and rear fog lights. So that's the Euro style switch. Fits in there perfectly, looks good. If you like this video, guys, hit that like button, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.